My name is Seçmen Akbas. I am Technology and Innovation Manager at BASF Antwerp. We have now more than 25 years of experience using drones, but in the beginning it was more at random, and now we are doing that more on a regular, structured basis. We have did our homework, market research, and we see that the Elios drone is the most robust, stable, qualitative drone at that moment. Our inspectors are using it almost on a daily basis. Like I said, not only tank inspections, but also boilers and other big, huge chemical assets.
Hey, I'm Jonathan Van Kerchove. I work for BASF Antwerpen and I do the inspections of all storage tanks of BASF. Good. On BASF Antwerpen we got 600 tanks. When we inspected tanks in the past, we did a lot with the scaffolds. But now we are using the drone from Flyability. It's not necessary that we go inside. We stand outside on the manhole and then we fly it inside.
The main driver is, of course, safety, meaning we don't want to put our people into confined spaces, but also working on elevated height. It's getting more and more important. We want to avoid that. But on the other hand, we also want to do more efficient work. In case of a tank inspection, we can inspect on a regular, normal, conventional basis only the places where we have placed scaffolding, where the people can go through there. With a drone, we can reach every location almost, so we can almost do 100% of the fully tank inspection. And at least at the end, which with a drone is more cost beneficial than doing a conventional inspection. So Elios drone will help us to do it more safe and more efficient, and at the end we have an economical benefit of the tool.